my name is Jen Metla, and I'm a quality control editor here at Research Square. Today I'm going to talk to you about how to use hyphens when you're writing. Hyphens are used to punctuate compound modifiers. In general, hyphens are only used to aid the reader's understanding of a compound modifier. When deciding whether to hyphenate a compound modifier, the first place to look is a dictionary. However, not all compound modifiers can be found in a dictionary, so I will discuss some of the recommendations for the treatment of compound modifiers that are not found in a dictionary. When a compound modifier is used as an adjective before a noun, use a hyphen. When a compound modifier is used as an adjective after a noun, it does not need a hyphen. For example, there should be a hyphen between high and quality in the phrase high quality samples, but there should not be a hyphen between high and quality in the phrase the samples were high quality. Another example is for the use of wild type. There should be a hyphen between wild and type in the phrase wild type animals, but not in the phrase the animals were wild type. Additionally, much like the compound modifiers we discussed earlier, hyphens are used when modifiers contain numbers. For example, for the phrase 5-year-old patients, there should be 2 hyphens, one between 5 and year, and one between year and old. However, in the phrase the patients who are 5 years old, no hyphen should be used. Non-English phrases, most commonly in Latin, do not take a hyphen when used as adjectives. For example, do not use hyphens with in vitro in phrases such as in vitro samples, or with post hoc in post hoc tests. If 2 compound modifiers have a common ending element, the ending element of the first compound is omitted, but the hyphen is retained. For example, if you are writing the phrase long-term memory and short-term memory, it is okay to use hyphens and shorten it to long and short-term memory. However, if 2 compound modifiers have a common beginning element, the beginning element of the first compound must be repeated. For example, it is incorrect to write left-handed and brained participants. Instead, this should be written as left-handed and left-brained participants. If you would like more information, please consider consulting these additional resources.
AJE, How Research Breaks Through.